I'm gonna give you some of my ways of getting new creative ideas, of refreshing your mind and new thoughts. And one of the most effective things for me to have new ideas is I'm just gonna go outside and I take a walk. So usually what I do is I take my headphones, I tune into some podcasts about whatever, self-improvement, personal branding, news, what's new in the tech world, etc. And in that way, for example, when I'm commuting to work, I have a podcast. When I'm going just for a walk to go grocery shopping, whatever, I can use those 10 to 15 minutes and get some new ideas. What works pretty well as well is if if it's raining or something, or you say you don't want to take another walk, just get in your car and you just drive around a bit. And even if you just go to a parking lot and you just drive around in circles just to clear your head. You could also do the same in public transport. Sometimes it's pretty crowded though, so I prefer to just cruise around in the car by myself and maybe sometimes try to enjoy the sun. The same goes going to the gym. Going to the gym is great. You can do your cardio with your podcast in again, or you just work out and you just get your mind off of things that might be blocking you from actually getting stuff done. And once you're done with your workout, you're tired, but you're also fueled with new energy for new creative processes. The next thing also works really well for me, especially now that it's getting nicer outside. Whenever I can, I just jump on my bike or I take my small drone. And I got the drone not just for trying to get new angles for videos, or I also got it just for fun. Back in the day, I used to have those little RC cars as a kid. I always wanted to have an RC helicopter and they were super expensive. So whenever they came out with drones that you can use for two things, one is for making videos, the other one is for flying it around just for fun, I thought, yeah, why not? And then so you're outside again, you can fly it around, you get a better overview of the area you're around, and sometimes you get some really nice scenery when you go to the beach or whatever else you might film with a drone.
I hope that it ain't so. Facing the truth, the eye of the needle. And even if we're not solving this riddle, there's no taking back all the deeds that we've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out and I breathe in.
My last personal tip, what I do for getting my creativity going again once it hit a low or something, especially when you're at work and you sit at your desk all day and you're doing some computer stuff or whatever else you do at your job. Just get up with your colleagues that sit around you anyway, have a coffee, meet with people from different departments, exchange with them what they're working on, and you might even get some ideas for your stuff, they get ideas for their new stuff, and then you can come up with a new way of working, or you come up with a new product, or there's many great things. You have a whiteboard around, you just write down some basic ideas. It might start out as fun and it can end up being really productive, so definitely keep that one in mind. Lastly, the probably most important thing though is not to just sit inside on the couch and turn on your TV and watch Netflix or do whatever else that's not productive. Just go away from your TV, go into a different room, take a book, read up on something, and just try to get some new ideas from there. While doing all of those things like driving around in the car, taking a walk, listening to podcasts, reading books, what I usually do is I just take out my phone and I open my notes app, and then I'll make some of the chapters for new ideas. Like for example, for this video I was taking a walk and I was thinking, what are the ways I come up with new ideas for videos? So I pulled out my phone, I wrote down the steps mentioned before, like taking a walk, taking a bike, etc. And that's basically the main message of this whole video. If you personally have any tips or ideas that help you throughout your day, throughout your week, or even just a few hours of non-productive time, feel free to share them with me and the whole community. I'm looking forward to reading it or hearing from you or whatever it is. Anyway, that was just a quick video. I just wanted to share this information. Maybe it can help one person. That would be pretty cool. If not, then stay tuned for the next videos or check out some other videos, or if you're more into the tech part of this channel, just check those out and stay tuned for the next video. I'll upload it shortly.